Stocks on a deep. This is Wednesday, the 12th of November 2025. We have VSA, GTI, NTWK, SMTI, and HYLN. VSA is down 78.27%. The underlying trend is strongly bullish one. Intraday low $0.24. The company just disclosed that it has launched a $12 million registered direct offering. So the stock is showing a lot of weakness within a longer term, let's just say neutral trend. But much of the tail of the stock is strongly bullish, but it's just neutral. The weakness has been showing since, let's just even say, since all the way back to early October. Has just ensured that the bullish trend is not has just gone neutral. Lower prices are expected to keep playing out up till the 5th of December. Then after that, there might be a bounce. The 40-day moving average has now rolled over, placing a seal or a staunch resistance just in case it attempts to bounce. Projections are currently saying even lower prices, and indeed upper projection of 0.411. Okay, this is its daily chart. Yeah, prices positions open all the way back to 200 days ago are currently not in profit. For those who like to trade penny stocks, they I don't think there won't be any. There's no for the now. It's been trading since the last 1 month. It's been compliant in terms of minimum bid price. Since okay, let's look all the way back to 12th of November of 12th of October. um it's been has maintained that. It's just went below 0 point. It went below $1. When was that? Just not long ago. That would be when, just a couple of days ago. Below $1 will be, yeah, just yesterday. Yeah, so it hasn't. This is it's still in its early innings in terms of being out of compliance. Let's see what we have in terms of volume so far. 11.5. Yeah, I had to look at this. You can see historical volatility 533.69%. It's not optionable. So it's a stock to watch because people are going to pounce on it. You can see what I mean. It's a highly active. See machines playing up things, and it seems there's some price discovery here. It seems it's quite liquid. Participation is very high. Do we have any? Let's see whether we can find its short interest. VSA stock. Okay, float. Yeah, floats first of all, and then maybe we might even see its float as well. Yeah, let's see. Stock float is not a tiny one. Okay, it's approximately 31.9. Yeah, we might see the float. We might see the short interest. Okay, short of float is not high. It's not high, and float is not small. But it's just a penny stock. It has now become a penny stock, and people have seen opportunity there. That's what they're looking at right now. So we'll see. We'll see. I'll continue to update you with regard to VSA. GTI down 26.48%. Intraday low in this session $2.78. Let's see what we have in terms of volumes. Okay, not active. Okay, highly volatile as well. Not an issue. Then yeah, not really that active. Yeah, and also not very liquid. You can see no orders on the market price on the yeah no orders, no slots on the prevailing price. Nothing there. Okay, well there is. I misread. Yeah, there is. People are trying to sell at the current price, and people are trying to buy at so that it's not liquid. You can see the spread. This makes a lot of 8 cents makes it a 8 cent spread is quite significant. So not that liquid at the moment. GTI. Let's see. Underlying trend severely bearish. Let's see what is there's any news. Okay, no fresh news. Okay, projections are currently saying 4.91. Positions open all the way back to 200 days ago. Out of profit. The ones opened 10 days ago, not in profit. 21 days ago, not in profit. 40 days ago, not in profit. If you wanted to hear about more ambitious projections, they're as high as 12.65, $11.269, and it has even really low downward projections. If yeah, negative downward projections. Obviously stocks don't trade in negatives. That means it's referring to some positive fractional prices. NTWK. NTWK down $25.83. Intraday low $2.73. Let's see what we have. Okay, looks like some activities going on. Spread is okay. You can see only 1 cent spread. That's okay. That's the minimum you would like. Quite volatile, but not expected to. Oh my goodness, maybe expected to be highly volatile into some infinite proportions. NTWK. Okay, let's see. Okay, underlying trend still bullish. Regardless, the stock has been on a downtrend since September, since late September. Okay, nothing broken through everything, all every support. And then this will be the next one? 2.65. It breaks through there, and then we are looking at lower prices. Extrapolation is saying that the downtrend may resume, but may begin to consolidate for the end of November. But no reasonable bounce in sight. Yeah, there might be occasions where momentum might pick up from there, from that November the 28th. Yeah, it might get volatile then. Projections are saying 2.99, 2.67. There are even more ambitious projections, 4.77 as of the 28th of October, 6.69 early September. Okay, it disclosed its earnings outcomes. Q1 revenue $15 million, net loss of 20 cents per share. Yeah. SMTI down 22.61 dollars. Intraday low 20.79. Not at all, not liquid at all. We can see that 22.12 is what you buy, and you can sell at 21.03. Highly illiquid. Let's see, volumes will be tiny. Yeah, they say that very tiny. Yeah, let's see, SMTI. Okay, so the weakness is expected to remain in place up till Friday, and then after that, some consolidation. Then from the 25th of December, a bounce is expected to play out. That will take it through its 40-day moving average, which is currently declining and providing a resistance. May provide a resistance up till the that crossover by the 10th of December, or even before that. So the bounce is expected to play out from the 25th of November. There's no guarantee that this will be the case at all. Yeah, and then as a matter of fact, momentum is expected to begin to build from now, from today, from tomorrow the 13th. There's also no guarantee that that will be the case, not at all. There are downward projections and upper projections. Downward projection, yeah, okay, slight upper projection of 21.99, then support of 20.33. There were other projects. There were higher projections as of last week. Last week Monday there was 24.66, 30.66, 31.67, 32.30. Yeah, okay. It failed to print those there, and it's been declining. The stock has been on a downtrend since the middle of September of this year. Let's see what there's any news. Sanara MedTech. Yeah, Q3 revenue misses estimate after tissue health loss unit closure. Okay, underlying trend is now bearish. HYLN HYLN down 12.84%. Spread is okay. Yeah, let's see. Might be liquid. Yeah, okay. Spread is okay. Liquid. Yeah. This price discovery, I think, might be there. Might be there. Let's see. Let's have a look at the. Yeah, okay. Slightly above average now. It's expected to get more volatile in the future. Historical volatility. Yeah, it's getting expected to be more volatile in the future. Let's see. I wanted to confirm price discovery, whether we have anything like that. Aggression surely is always the case. Um, yeah, some price discovery is there, some amount. Yeah, people are keen on discovering prices, but selling pressure is very high. You can see it a lot here, trying to get through at 192. Yeah, 192. They're hoping it will get through. Stock is the price is currently at people are buying at 191. I think that went through at maybe have okay. Well, people are expecting it to get to 2.03, 2.06. HYLN. Let's see. Okay, underlying trend is still bearish, but moderating its decline. Yeah, the stock has been consolidating with a distributive bias since early October. And yeah, so that consolidation is expected to remain in place up till even in the midst of this decline, expected to keep consolidating up till the 21st of November when a bounce that might take it through its 40-day moving average, which is expected to remain a resistance up till the 4th of December. Yeah, but it's just an expansion. Yeah, it's just a breakout after this, after a period of consolidation. That's what's been extrapolated. Then after that, the downtrend may resume. So, but in the interim, the 40-day moving average is seeking to may seek to, based on this extrapolation, may seek to tighten any expansion that might begin to build up. So the stock is expected to trade within this area. But yeah, it's also expected that suggested that yeah, it may work. Given that even though it might break out, but it did work. It might based on if this works out, it's the 40-day moving average would have done its job as well, because we can clearly see that it will go on to decline. These are just extrapolations. They won't the odds of them happening is not very high. Projections are currently saying mostly to the downside 1.45, 1.59, 1.82. Previous projections went as high as 2.62, 2.87, 3.03. We can just have a look before let's see the news. Yeah, Q2 revenue, Q3 revenue 759,000. Okay, so let's look at its weekly chart and see what we have there. Okay, underlying trend severely bearish. Projections here are saying 2.24. Previous projections as high as 3.54. Okay, yeah. So let's see how things go, and we can just quickly recap with VSA. Yeah. Okay. Still down. Still down. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video.